Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us have experienced at some point in our lives: brain fog. Yep. That feeling when your mind seems to be wrapped in a cloud, making it tough to think clearly. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to unravel the mystery behind brain fog and share some fantastic tips to help you clear those mental clouds. So, let's get started. What is brain fog? So, what exactly is brain fog? Imagine your mind as a well-oiled machine, but suddenly, it starts running on slow motion. Brain fog is that mental fuzziness where you might struggle with focus, memory, and processing information. It's like your brain's way of saying, "Hey, I need a break." Common causes. Now that we know what brain fog is, let's talk about its sneaky causes. Lack of sleep, stress, poor nutrition, and even certain medical conditions can contribute to this foggy feeling. Don't worry, you're not alone in this. Tips to clear the fog. Time to roll out the red carpet for some amazing tips to kick that brain fog to the curb. 1. Quality sleep. Get a good night's sleep. Your brain needs its beauty rest too. 2. Stay hydrated. Your brain loves water as much as you do. Drink up for clear thinking. 3. Healthy eating. Fuel your brain with nutritious foods. Think colorful fruits, veggies, and brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids. 4. Move your body. Exercise isn't just for muscles, it's a brain booster too. 5. Mindfulness and meditation. Take a breather. Mindfulness and meditation can do wonders for mental clarity. 6. Prioritize tasks. Break tasks into smaller steps. Tackling one thing at a time makes your brain happy. 7. Brain games. Challenge your brain with puzzles and games. It's like a workout for your mind. 8. Tech breaks. Too much screen time can lead to brain fog. Take breaks and go tech-free for a while. Bonus trick. The 20-20-20 rule. Here's a little bonus trick to combat brain fog, especially if you're staring at screens all day. It's called the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break, and focus on something 20 feet away. Your brain will thank you. When to seek help. Remember, occasional brain fog is normal, but if it becomes a persistent issue, it's time to consult a healthcare professional. They can help rule out any underlying medical conditions. And there you have it, folks. Battling brain fog might feel like a challenge, but armed with these tips and tricks, you're ready to take on the mental mist. Remember, your brain is amazing, and a little TLC goes a long way. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs a mental boost. Stay sharp, stay awesome. See you in the next video.